Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from PlannerLove SP, and I have a friend whose name is Teresa, who is a PR gal for this company, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give them a try because they were having a really nice sale, and I kind of feel like I've ordered from them before, but I can't be positive. It's cute washi, I like it. It looks like Christmas envelopes. And you can find her shop on Etsy. And I'm not sure if there's a... Oh, there's a little card. How nice is that? Oh, that's very sweet. How pretty. I just didn't know if there was an invoice in here. Okay, so I'm going to look at this first because this is the winter sample. Holy shamoly. So, look at that. I love how that is tabbed like that, the winter sampler. And then this is the Teresa sample. So I ordered it under her name and I got her sample. That's cute. Oh, that's cute. I noticed there's 2 clean houses. I'm wondering if that means something to me. Oh, I need to clean. I do. It's just that stickers and fun call my name. I'll get there. Shopping, isn't that cute? And then I thought these were really cute. I love how she has the little tab on some of these. This is just a bow checklist, so there's some with 3, some with 5. I thought those were really cute. I use the checklists a lot at work too. And this one I couldn't pass up. It's the days of the week with the cats. I had to get that one. And these are fold outs or something like that. No, they're not. Sorry, I'm lying. That was different. It's something else. Never mind. These are half boxes, and I got pink and I got blue. And these are full boxes with little bows and roses. And this is kind of cute. It says PR shop, and then it has a daily like check off so that you can put, you know, if you know you're going to do something every day for the shops that you might PR for. And then this also has PR shop, and I can kind of help. I thought this might be good for me to help keep track of what I'm using or whatever, just to make sure that I do a good job, because, you know, we all want to earn our spot in the PR world with all of the beautiful stickers and stuff. That's cute. So these are like ombre, and it's the days of the week, but then there's a weather tracker on it. And I thought those might be cute for my work planner. So I got those. And that would be like 7 weeks. No, it's not. There's 7 days in the week. Oh my goodness, it's early. This would be like a month worth, I guess. Yeah, and then I got another one in blue, and this is also a month worth. Whew. And here are some cute banners. I like to use banners at my work planner and my regular planner. I like the banners. I think they're cute. So these are really sweet. These are wintry too, which is kind of neat. I mean, I think they look wintry, especially if you put them together. Super cute. So I'm excited. I'm going to take some of these to work, and I'm going to actually keep some of them here for sure. And I am loving them. So thank you for reintroducing me to the shop, Teresa, if you're watching. And yeah, thank you very much for your quick, nice shipping and for the nice, sweet card too. I appreciate it. And I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day. I might take all of these to work actually, because I think I could use them there. So thanks for watching and have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.